Hey guys, today we are working on the exercise 4.3 quadratic equation. Already I have completed the statement up till the question number 9. The two statements still left, question number 10 and 11. So see the second last one statement for 4.3. It is on the average speed of the train, right? The distance between the Mysore and the Bangalore is fixed, that is the 132 kilometer. The average speed of express train is 11 kilometer per hour more than the passenger train. So see, speed is compared, express train speed is compared with the average speed of the passenger train. So definitely we assume, let the average speed of passenger train be x kilometer per hour, right? Then the express will be 11 more, that is x plus 11. And of course, since its speed is more, so it will take less time. So how much? It takes 1 hour less as compared to the passenger train, right? And the distance is fixed, 132 kilometers. So we have to find the average speed of the express train as well as the passenger train, right? So let's start the solution part. Let the average speed of passenger train, of course we assume the passenger train average speed because its speed is compared with the express train. So let the average speed of passenger train be x kilometer per hour, right? Therefore, average speed of express train, average speed of express train be x plus 11 kilometer per hour. So now see, we have assumed the speed, right? Time we will find out from the distance equal to speed equal to distance upon time. So time equal to distance upon speed. Therefore, time, we find the time from this discussion. Time taken by passenger train, time taken by passenger train to cover a distance of 132 kilometer is equal to, of course, distance upon speed, that is 132 upon x hours, right? And time taken by express train for same distance will be 132 upon x plus 11 hours. Okay. Now, so both trains time is clear. Now see, the time difference is given 1 hour. So now see, in which case it will take the more time. Of course, when the speed is less. And whose speed is less? Of course, passenger train speed is less. That means it will take more time. So according to the question, we take the time difference, that is 132 upon x minus 132 upon x plus 11 equal to 1. We got 132 upon x minus 132 upon x plus 11 equal to 1, right? Before this also we did the same type of the question. Now see, here 132 is common. So before taking the LCM, first you remove the 132. Divide by 132 on both sides. so the calculation will be minimized. So we write here divided by 132 on both the side, right? So the equation will be 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 11 equal to 1 upon 132. Now you take the LCM. So x plus 11, here right side as it is you will write 1 upon 132, x cancel x plus 11 minus x plus x cancel. So 11 upon, open the bracket, x square, x of x square, and 11x equal to 1 upon 132, right? Now take the cross multiplication. So x square plus 11x equal to 11 2 is 22, 2 carry 2, 11 3 is 33, 33 and 2 35, 5 carry 3, 11 1 is 11, 11 and 3, right? 11 2 is 22, 2 carry 2, 11 3 is 33 and 2 35, 5 carry 3, 11 1 is 11, 11 3 14. Clear? Okay. So x square plus 11x minus 1452 equal to 0. So see, children, we got here the standard form of the quadratic equation. Now whatever method you feel convenient, do it. Suppose 14 and 52, right? So you take out the 1452 factor if you want, right? 2 1 ja, 2 7 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 1 ja, and 11 11 ja, right? It's a very simple. See, 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, right? And 11 11 ja 22, it will be less. So if we take this pair, 11 3 ja 33, right? And 2 2 ja 4 and 4 11 ja 44. These two pair you select, right? So you will get the product 1452 and 44 minus 33 you will get 11, right? So I am going to split x square plus this 11x. I will split in two parts, that is 44x minus 33x, okay, and minus 1452 equal to 0, right? So we got the fourth term. Take x common. So what you get? X plus 44, then minus 33. So x plus 44 equal to 0. So x plus 44, one of the factor, and x minus 33, another factor. Both factor you will show equal to 0. So x equal to, you will get minus 44. Of course, this is the speed of train. Negative speed not possible. Therefore, x minus 33 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 31. Right? So, since x is 33, therefore, x plus 11, 33 plus 11, that is 44 kilometer per hour, 33 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of passenger train. So you can mention the answer. Average speed of passenger train (33 kilometer per hour) and average speed of express train 44 kilometer